Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how I have created this animation inside Blender. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to create one new scene for this. Let's come to scene, and here I'm going to create all these things from scratch. This is going to be a step by step guide, so you won't have any kind of issue or problem after that. So for this I'm going to take and one round cube. If this is not showing in your Blender, what you have to do is come to edit, preferences, add-ons, and search for extra object. Yeah. Okay, so click over here and save this. So then after you will be able to see all these extra objects. So I have took one round cube, and this is this object we need in order to create that animation. So this is very blocky right now. I'm going to add a subdivision, maybe 2, and let's set smooth this. And then also we have to add one displacement modifier. Okay, uh, click on new, and then click over here, so texture in texture tab. And I'm going to add maybe noise texture, not noise texture, maybe cloud or something like that. I'm not sure right now. Okay, yeah, cloud texture. Let's reduce this thing a bit. And it's totally up to you how you want this. Maybe 2 is looking better right now. And yes, maybe not 2, maybe 1. I will go with 1. Okay, come to let's come to the modifier tab. Okay, so let's close these things. And what I want this to animate. So what I'm going to do for that is, let's click object, and let's take one empty. Let Drag this down, and with picker tool I am going to select this one. Yeah, so if you move this something like this, so this will animate something like this. Let's reduce the strength. Maybe no, this is not working. What? Okay, yeah, for now this is looking good. And let's animate this right now. Okay, this is too slow for now. I'm going to, I think this will look good. Okay, so select this, press T, and I want this linear. Okay, for now let me see how this is looking right now. I think I need this more faster. Yeah, so I want something which looks maybe a more organic. Let's, okay, so I think we have to reduce this a bit. Yeah, this is, the animation is looking fine right now, but I'm not too happy with this, with the bobbling effect. I don't know what exactly this is called. Okay, so you can play with all these things. For now, we also can change all these things later as well, but for now, yeah, I am happy with this thing. Okay, now this is better, but this the animation is too fast, so let me drag this over here and let's see how this is looking. Yeah, perfect. And let's change this to cycle. And for now, let's take this. Uh, for now, let's uh, of this scene world. We will change the lighting later, but for preview, we just have to. We need one light. Okay, so I'm going to. Uh, I, I need transmission all the way to 1. I don't want any roughness right now. Okay, so right now we need light to see this properly. So for that thing, let's S8. Let's add one camera. Let's camera to view. Let's click on this composition guideline just for better composition. Let's make this a bit more big. Okay, so I think we can work with this for now. uh, let's add one light for separate the background. Yes, area light x y z. Yeah, better. Let's make this a bit big. Make this one, not 2000, 1000 maybe will look better. uh, okay, so for now this is looking fine. One light for the main object as well, and one more light for the same object but from side. uh, I don't think this is looking good right now, but for lighting what we can do is let's grab one UV sphere, make this bigger, and let's come over here. You have to search in Google reflective SDRI, so you can have lots of image like this. Just download one, whatever you want. Just see which will be good for your scene. Like, it's totally up to you. Be creative, think outside the box. So I have downloaded this one, and I am going to use this thing over here. So yeah, let's add in emission to maybe 4, maybe I'm not sure right now how this will look. Okay, so for now I guess we have to increase the roughness a bit, maybe change the color a bit to yellow, and add one volume absorption, connect this to volume green, and increase the density a bit. Okay, so we can change all these things later, but for now just I want to set up all these things. So let me make this a bit green. Okay, so I this is too green right now. I'm going to reduce the density a bit and also the roughness I guess, and the color should look more lighter. uh, Not happy right now, but we can change all these things later too. And for the, I don't know what this is called, okay, and right now let's add one noise texture for bump, add one bump as well, fractor to height, and this will be in bump. Okay, let's click T for texture coordinates and let's see how this is looking. uh, I want, okay, let's make this white for now. Also let's make this yellow a bit, just I am not sure right now. And okay, yeah, so right now I'm happy with these things. Let reduce the strength a bit, and let's copy these things as this thing, and add one color ramp, and I need something like this maybe. Yes, let's bring one make shader, connect this over here. Let's connect this thing in fractal. Let's copy and paste. Let's copy and paste this thing, and I think this will go in fractal. And let's change the color of this thing. Yeah, so I don't want any roughness. I want roughness over there, and let's change the color of this, maybe a bit darker green, maybe. Yeah, and let's increase the sheen as well, and sheen roughness. Mm, let's type Control B for box selection. Yes, I guess right now this is looking fine. Okay, so like right now, we I think we have to animate this thing. So let's press hashtag and frame slash one, maybe 50, and yeah, looking good right now. Okay, so for the center part, let's copy and make it smaller, and I want to add one more displacement. Let's copy cloud. Let's hide this first. Okay, let's add one displacement. I think so if I disconnected this. Okay, so I'm getting over here. Okay, so let's one displacement, add, make this 15, and yeah, so for now this is looking perfect. uh, let's give this thing a good material. I don't want this material, so delete this thing, bring one. Maybe I'm going to make this red for now. I don't want any surface. Roughness, I want subsurface this thing. Let's bring all the way to up, maybe a bit scene 2, and the color should be maybe dark. Let's bring roughness to down, maybe up. So after tweaking sub settings, we are here right now. This is how this is looking right now, and let's grab this two thing, and make one collection. Maybe I'm going to name this shell. Okay, and let's hide these things for now, and let's bring one cube a bit smaller, and let's add one emission. So what I'm going to do over here is let's make this volume. I'm going to make this one, and I'm going to make lifetime to 150. For now 1000 looks better for me. I don't want any, maybe a little bit velocity. Okay, for now let's come to render collection, and in collection I'm going to select shell, so you can see all the cells are coming over here. Let's make this big, random scale random, and okay, so I don't want any force field. Gravity to 0, viewport display render. Okay, show emitter. I don't want to see the emitter, so yeah. In I don't want to see the emitter, so not even in viewport display, and volume. Okay, so volume is good. Okay, so I don't want this much number, and whole, click over here, whole collection. I guess we have to increase the number a bit, 50 maybe. Let's come to the size. Okay, so this is looking okay. Let's see these things in viewport. Maybe I'm going to make this 60. Let's change this shade. Yes, so looking fine right now. Let's grab this thing. Let's brighten the scene a bit. Maybe yeah, this is looking fine. Let's bring this shell right now, and if something is coming in front of the camera, what you can do is select all these things and uh, change the shade. Yeah, exactly, this is what you have to do. So what I'm going to do is, this will look far better if you select the depth of field, and let's make this maybe 0 0.8. Looking good. Yes, this is looking good. So what I'm going to do right now is let's open this shell. This is the outer shade, this is the center one, and copy, and let's parent these things to this. So I also can animate this. So what I want is this should come. Okay, so we are having some sort of issue over here. So what I want is this. I want this come from this here to here. Maybe here to here. Tee, 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 tee. Now you might be wondering why my depth of field is working in viewport mode. So this is easy. Just you have to come over here and you have to check over here. So this is how this will work. So yeah, this is looking sexy right now. All the things is blurred and my main object is over here. So we can have something to focus on. Yeah, perfect. So right now what I am going to do is I need these smaller particles which look like that this is something is happening around the around all these things. So yeah, so let's start to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one more particle system over here. Yes, so let's come to this particle and plus one. Let's make this uh, rename this particle 1 and okay. So this is going to I'm going to name this 2, and for these things I'm going to change few things. This is looking something like this right now, so I'm going to make this 5000. Let's hide this for now because I need something to work with. Let's hide this too, and phase to volume, and let's decrease this a bit, and let's come to the object, and I want this object. Yes, so as you can see over here we have a lot of small particles. Yeah, this is exactly what we want. Let's if you want to play with the scale random, if you want to make this particle a bit big, it's totally up to you. You can do this however you want, and I don't want gravity in this too. So yeah, so let's come over here, and I don't want that much velocity, maybe 0.9. Yeah, so looking good for now. Let's I don't want this much velocity too. Looking good for now. Let's bring this to, and after doing a lot of lighting, uh, after tweaking a lot of things, a lot of uh, camera depth of fields, this is looking something like this, exactly how I created this in starting. So this is how you can create all these things in inside blenders. You can subscribe my channel for uh, more tutorial like this. You if you want this uh, if you want this project file, you can have this in pinned comment, and yeah, so see you in the next video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for now. Bye bye.